Hello everyone. Hope all are healthy and well in this critical situation. Today we discuss about export system. In this video we learn about what is export system, how it performs and what are types of export systems. So first we define export systems. What is the meaning of export? Export means to know everything about a particular area or particular domains. So, like a human and a system which have a brief knowledge about a particular domain, that system is called as the expert systems. So, an expert system is a computer program that is designed to solve complex problem and to provide decision making ability like a human. So, what happens? Expert systems has also decision making like a human in a particular area. Okay, next, it performs by extracting knowledge from a knowledge base. Your knowledge base is a database. That means expert system extract knowledge from database by using inference rules. Like what is inference rule? Inference is like your associative rule, hypothesis. These are called as your inference rules. Then, expert system helps to decision making for complex problems by using fact and rules and heuristic. What is the heuristic? Heuristic means that means there are many problems and many solutions. That means one problems have many solutions. That is called as the heuristic. But from many solution, you have to choose only one solution that are the that is the costless or more effective to you. That is called as the heuristics. So that is called as also decision making, because from the many solution you have to choose only one solution. That is called as the heuristic. So next is the performance of expert system is based on the expert's knowledge stored in his knowledge base. The more knowledge stored in the knowledge base, the more system improve its performance. This diagram shows the how a expert system works. So first we know about the what are components in export system. So export system has mainly three components. One is called as the user interface. Second one is called as the inference engine. Third one is called a knowledge base. User interface is mainly is also called as the interface. By this interface, user can interact with the inference engine. So, with the help of user interface, the expert system interact with the user and takes query from the users and in a readable format and passes it with the inference engine. After getting the response from the inference engine, it displays on the output screen. Okay, next is called as the inference engine. The inference engine is known as the brain of the expert system, as it contains all the knowledge all the knowledge. Okay, so it applies inference rules to the knowledge base to derive a conclusion or deduce new information. With the help of inference engine, the system extract knowledge from the knowledge base, as it is one type of a database. So in this database, all types of information is stored. So inference engine extract data from this knowledge base. Then knowledge base. Knowledge base is a type of storage that stores knowledge acquired from the different experts or a particular domain. So what contains knowledge base? As I said that before, knowledge base is one type of database. It contains different types of data. So what do knowledge base? Knowledge base stores different knowledge that extract from different experts. Okay, it is considered a big storage of knowledge. The more knowledge base, the more precise will be the expert system. Then we discuss about the what are capability of expert system. First one is called as advising. So it is have capable of advising the human being for the query of any domain from a particular expert system. Next one is called as the provide decision making capability. So we discussed heuristic. So like one problem had the many solution, but you have to choose only one solutions. That is called a decision making. So you have the expert system that takes decision what solution is perfect for one problems. Then third one is called a demonstrate device. It is capable of demonstrating any new products such as its features, specification, and how to use the product. Third one is called the problem solving decision. Problem solving. So it has as we discussed in past, this is a decision making system. So it has also takes the decision how to solve a problem. Next is called as the explaining a problem. It is also capable of providing a detailed description of an input problem. Next one is called as the interpreting the input. It is capable of interpreting the input given by the users. Last one is called the predicting results. It can be used for the prediction of the results. Next we discuss how many types of export system. So there are the five types. First one is called a rule based export system. Second one frame based. Third one is called a fuzzy based. Fourth one neuro based, and fifth one neuro fuzzy based export system. So next video we discuss about the what are one by one export system like rule based, frame based like this was. So hope this video is interesting for you. If you like this, then uh, subscribe this video. Okay, thank you for the watchings.